discuss, in this video series, we're going to talk about lean manufacturing, and we're going to walk through the plant and kind of give you some examples and ideas of what we've done on our lean journey to help us improve our output and our flow. So today we're down here in our laser area. And this is one of the better lean projects the guys have taken on. And this great big cabinet is used to house everything we need to run a laser. However, when you look at this cabinet, it looks organized on the surface, but the only thing that's actually necessary to it is these bins here and here. Those are the consumables. Those are the things that go into the machine to run the laser on a daily basis. All the other stuff, it may be needed from time to time, it may be necessary, but it's not as important as the bin items. So, we have a new laser, and what we decided is, let's start from the beginning and create us a nice lean cabinet. So this cabinet here is set up, and it's very, again, on the concept of visual factory. We've got these bins, and in the bin there's a front part of it, a back part of it, and a divider in the middle. On that divider, you actually use that as your Kanban card. A Kanban is just a trigger. It tells you you need to take action on something. So once the guys get done, they'll pull this Kanban card. When they deplete the front part, they'll pull the Kanban card, pull the stuff from the back to the front, they move the Kanban card over to the side of the cabinet. Write the date on it. That tells the work leader when he walks by, he knows he needs to order something, so he'll order based on this part number here. Once he orders it, he takes it down, puts it on the other side of the cabinet, and redates it. We have 4 days from the order date till it comes in. Now we know if we come out here and this is more than 4 days old, we're in jeopardy of losing control and we may be down waiting on consumables. So this is a nice, just a visual indicator of the status of our parts, what's needed, where it's at in the ordering process to make sure that you've always got inventory on hand.